Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can delete GCash account, right? So to delete it, first of all, open your GCash mobile application here, log in into that, right? And make sure before just deleting it, you need to prepare some of the documents here, which is, identification documents with your name and your address and something. And once it's done, make sure that first of all, you have to complete this form, right? So download the account deletion request form, right, which you can just get at GCash website or app. So let me show you. So you have to just go to Google, and once you go to Google, you have to just write GCash delete account, right? And you will get this, GCash help center. You will be redirected here. Now you have to follow the same prompt. For example, it says that follow the steps to update your mobile number, but you have to not go with here. You have to go in into this, right? Don't want to use GCash. So as you can see here, the actual deletion of your data from our system will be done after 5 years in compliance with this whatever this number is. You have to click on it. You will be redirected to a new form, right? Once you're here, so basically it's a rule that says, it's a rule and law that all the information cannot delete it instantly, right? It will just get deleted after 5 years. So make sure you just read through it, and after that you will get this, to click here to file a request. So you have to click on it. By the way, this is a form, so you have to enter all this information here. Make sure you enter the description why you want to delete it, and upload a photo attachment that can help us assist what's your concern, right? So then you have to click on submit. So this is a process to delete your account, and I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.